isn't totally your fault.
No, it's on you.
We're homeless now. Where are we supposed to live? Gosh, you broke our bowl. How are we supposed to eat now?
Stop right there. You're under arrest. Those who don't know how to care for animals can learn it in prison.
I'm innocent.
It's totally on her.
You're coming with me to clear up the situation. Welcome. You're building a pet house to match your style, and vice versa.
Gold is right up my alley.
Silver makes me look pale. I hope we warm up to each other.
So, shall we build a gold house?
Yeah, it might be fun.
First off, we sketch it out. Being an artist has always been my dream.
Whoa, I love that.
Are you doing okay?
There's nothing I can do.
Here, I'm better off without it.
I can't make heads or tails of it.
I believe this is it.
Still can't figure it out.
Any chance Silver can help?
She might.
Oh, this is something I may use. Starting off with the foundation.
Let's get to it.
You nailed it!
What was it she did? This here and this here.
I believe you did it wrong.
Time to bring in technology. Okay, fix this. Add silver over here.
How's it looking?
Practically done. Just gotta take it out. Come on. I'm a mastermind.
This is really spacious.
You're doing pretty well.
Time to take care of the fence.
How are you planning to handle it?
I'm up for anything. Great art.
Whoa, you're so cool.
Almost done.
She scares the life out of me.
We can talk then.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, wow.
It's perfectly even.
What a swell head. That's a decent idea.
It slaps.
I'm the real deal.
Oh.
What?
There. A piece of chocolate for a boost of energy.
I will help.
Blinding and spectacular. Gold would look so much cuter, though. How is the house shaping up?
I've got a handle on it.
As usual.
That's to be used for the roof.
Good thinking. I'll help.
You have paws of gold.
This is better than I thought.
Yeah, the fence isn't that terrible, you know.
Well, gotta admit, it's decent.
Is this it? Am I free to go?
You're up for interrogation. You ruined the house?
I can't see.
Okay, fine. I want to hear the whole story.
I was walking and enjoying nature. There was a weird guy with a bat, but it doesn't really matter. All of a sudden, I see Silver. She takes out the bat and totals the house.
That is not the case.
I beg to differ. You were actually there.
Okay, I get the gist. Gold stays in the cell. I'll have a word with you later. I have a bigger fish to fry.
We should decorate the house.
Power will help us with that.
Cool.
It'll be fair play on my part.
Let's decorate the facade.
Any personal preferences?
I live for the sun.
Right. How come I didn't think of that before?
Cool. It's what I wanted.
How do I cut this out?
I got you. He's an extremely dangerous criminal.
Let's trade scissors for apple.
Seeds are all I've got.
Fine by me.
Something is better than nothing.
The rat is super creepy.
Don't fret, he helped us out.
Whoa! I'm obsessed.
Oh no, I hurt my paw.
Oh. What happened? Are you all right? Ah, it hurts so bad.
Doodles, losers.
No! Stupid hamster.
A hamster played you.
As always,
Looks like he's bummed out.
Gotta throw him an anchor. Can't get it out. You guys, hit the thumbs up so the cop can make it out.
If he can't get out, we can't get out either.
I have evil to fight. Go on with the construction. Thank you, guys.
A curtain would look nice here.
Look what I came across.
This is the best pillowcase ever. The thing is, we need it in silver.
Awesome! Perfect! If you ask me, it's flawless.
If you ask me, that is not the way to make curtains.
If you ask me, this is none of your business.
Stop fighting, or else you're stuck in here for good.
I need glue. A little magic never hurts.
Ooh, you're a tricky girl.
Just gotta glue it on. All done.
How sloppy is that? It must be perfectly even.
It smells so clean.
It's literally perfect. And done.
Whoa, it's shiny.
What are you doing?
We won't be using that.
Hey, easy, okay? That's pretty good.
What are you doing?
This is transfer decor.
So, what's next?
I think that might help.
You know, it's a good idea. Gotta admit, we have massive brains. I'd love a nap right now.
Yeah, I'm cooked too.
It totally slipped my mind. You don't have a bed. Huh, that might work.
Will we lay a simple cushion?
Don't say that to my face. Wait a minute. I'm so upset.
Are you doing all right?
Yeah, I'm okay now.
She's the biggest freak.
It must be looking glamorous.
You are clearly an evil genius.
This is a must. Cut out the stars.
There.
Thank you, baby. This is a masterpiece.
All that matters is that it's comfy. I need a bed too.
Here, I found it all.
Ew, that's basic. I think I know what might work for us.
Uh-huh.
Phew, close call. Mission accomplished.
This is perfect. Good girl.
This is definitely gold vibes.
I'll add some taste to it. All you gotta do is join. So,
Awesome, soft and comfy.
You're up for questioning. Fine, we can do without that. Okay, let it on me.
the day was pretty normal. I walked when all of a sudden sawdust came flying at me. There was also a sketchy guy snooping around. And then I saw gold. She took out a chainsaw and ruined the house.
Liar! That never happened!
I did see you.
I'm so sick of you.
We need to get out!
You guys, who destroyed the house? Comment down below.
Lunchtime, lunchtime. Don't touch, it's not for you. Lunchtime, lunchtime.
Ew, it's gluten.
Blech, onions.
Uh-huh.
Yay, food!
They're so boring. It feels nice to have cute dishes. How do you get a hold of some sparkly stuff?
You sparkle yourself.
Right! Let's create something.
So,
It's coming together! Thoughts?
It's tasty, and that's all that matters.
Oh, wow! Honey would never eat from this bowl.
We might use your bracelets.
We should conjure something up. Hey, Gold!
I'm not falling for that ever again!
Enjoy your meal.
It's pretty, and that's what matters.
That'll teach you a lesson about littering. It wasn't intentional. The dogs are so adorable.
The guy's super sketchy.
I don't fancy him either.
How are things looking?
Did you see that? He has a ton of cool stuff!
What's your plan to get them?
Molly, there's a job. We need a stick and the sparking things.
Right on it.
I'd love to have that key to make a toy.
Nah, you're a freak.
It's okay. I can handle you.
Hold it!
Hey, what happened?
I've got nothing.
You gotta wait out.
We'll make a toy from this.
I may help.
We'll use the cover remains. Done.
Pretty good.
Okay, gonna decorate it. Do you like it?
Nice, a toy.
What? Hey, where's my token? And my handcuffs?
That's for dogs, you know.
Aww. Time to kick back.
What a shame. I mean, at least there's a TV.
Not up to par, you know, but I can make it work. You are expected to build safe and comfortable houses. My assistants, Captain Cutie and Officer Paw.
Cutest thing ever.
Put me down. I'm an officer.
Okay, get to work. You've got an hour until the inspection. Show me what you've got.
Here it is, the big moment. A chic house in jail.
Well, baby, this is our chance to shine. Okay, baby, let's start off with the basics. We need a frame.
I'm dying to see it. I'm having the best time.
This is no toy. It's gonna be your roof.
Some boards? Nah. Way beneath me.
Gosh, you're fussy.
I'm no delivery guy.
Make sure you grab velvet.
Delivery for the most demanding miss.
I might help you. Not for free, though. Some cheese?
If you get a hold of gold decorations, we have a deal. Well, this might work.
There. Simple yet safe.
Hey, new guy. Need a hand?
Hamster? In jail? Okay, buddy, you're in. Someone is clearly using his head. While someone is using her tongue, let's see who'll win.
Hey, everything's ready, actually.
What about this thing? Add some vibe to it?
Sounds good.
So, you like it?
I do.
I came across something.
Thanks, man. Now you're speaking my language.
It must look pretty.
Look, I came across an old brooch.
Something is better than nothing. Gotta hand it to you.
Let's paint the house.
All that matters is that you like it here.
Truly beautiful. The The kitten must love it.
Wow, I like it. Just not cozy enough.
We'll fix it right away.
Artistic approach? Okay. Thing is, it's a house, not a gallery.
A flag!
Minimalism is boring, unlike classics.
Both fronts are decent. None of them truly stand out.
I'm starving!
In that case, we'll feed you. But first, we need a feeder. Should do, as long as kittens are full.
All done?
Patience, baby. It's not it yet.
Awesome!
Simple and handy. All I care for is that the baby loves it.
I want a feeder too.
The feeder has to be like a masterpiece.
I'm set to make it.
Now we're talking.
Tasty.
You
Do you
liked
like it?
Yeah!
We
We
made
made
it.
Whoa, you're cleaning up already?
Couldn't resist the urge!
I take you need a claw sharpener.
Hey, Nate, over here. You're the biggest wuss ever.
Phew, I got scared stiff.
I got you the supplies.
There you have it.
So cool!
That's what a grateful client looks like.
Holding up very well. I can actually climb.
Jeez, it's dead boring.
Real cats need a bougie claw sharpener.
Doesn't matter as long as the babies love it.
I will do it better.
Any chance you can use it?
Truly chic. That's the way to sharpen your claws.
I stand for order and justice. Houston, we have a problem.
Oops.
Velvet for claws? No one saw that coming.
Try it first.
Ah, it's super slippery.
Usability versus style. Another time.
Style and taste are not for everyone.
You're back at it again.
It's chilly!
Oh, baby, that's not gonna work. You need a warm and soft bed. You're gonna help me, right?
It seems I saw something under the mattress.
Thanks, bro. There, now it's a cuddling bed.
It feels so nice!
So, baby, now you're in the arms at all times.
A good bed must be stylish and dramatic.
And soft.
We can level it up.
What are you up to?
Now that's a style. A special bed.
What is this bird? What a comfy bed.
You've received gifts.
Just in time.
That's what I need. Great, it works.
Hey! You won't get far without me.
Why? Okay, I'll dig a tunnel to you and then out.
It's gonna be a long time.
Guys, please give us some light so we can get out faster.
Just a few more likes.
Oh no,
You want us to stay here?
what's that yelling? Escape attempt. Oops. Oh, it's the rat. No more gifts from friends.
Hey!
I wish I had toys!
Whoa, you need something captivating.
Check this out.
I wonder how this is gonna go!
Some imagination secures you a cool toy. You like it?
That slaps!
Nice job, right?
My kitten is worthy of the best things.
So, what is it gonna be this time around?
Elegant and sophisticated. The it item of the season for cats.
Boring.
So ungrateful of you. It's a masterpiece.
I mean, add some sounds at least. It'll be more fun.
Fine, have it your way.
That's much better.
It's time for a bath!
I'll figure something out. Okay, working out the kinks, and it's gonna be a great brushing tool.
So nice!
Great results! The kitten looks clean and content.
They can take care of it.
Would you stop acting up?
But whatever. A royal bathroom must be fancy.
That's a great idea. That's fascinating.
Wow! What's up here?
Awesome brush!
A glove. Smart move. And that's...
We're in the middle of a spa treatment.
Ah, water! Not my favorite thing in the whole world.
Ugh, cats can't appreciate style and luxury.
It's outrageous. Thanks to Stacy, you'll be here forever. This is our chance to break free.
About time.
Would you help out?
Sounds risky. Luckily, I'm a daredevil.
Do something nice.
I'm in. My service is pricey, you know. This is it. Found the key.
Got it.
Run!
Where
are you going?
Sorry, there are other animals waiting for us.
Check out the houses we've built for you.
We're totally obsessed with them.
Then hurry up!
Oh man, it's over.
No worries, we can hold him up.
That's confusing. Hey, cuties.
Let's play.
Are they gone? Shoot, I'll track them down. Phew, we broke away.
Are you the employees? Yeah, sure. I need a house for Trixie. We'll make you something really special. Nate, help me out.
Oof, you're heavy.
That's because I'm pregnant.
She's not due soon. Trixie wants to control the building process. I'll come back later. Have a nice day.
Hi, what's up?
Wanna play?
Meet my babies.
She gave birth. I quit.
We're gonna make 3 times as much money.
3 times? Okay, what should I do?
You take care of building while I take care of the kittens.
Do you like this house?
No, we need more room. The less we spend on building the house, the more we'll earn.
And I'll be able to afford a new bat. We'll make you a very cheap, big house. We need 2 big pieces.
I'll cut it.
Wow!
There we go.
Thanks. Now we can make a roof. We slay. What do you think?
basic.
Let's add some shine.
I got it all. What's this?
You'll see.
Hey, you scared the kittens.
It was all him.
What a weird toy.
Somebody help.
That's not a toy.
I want to get all the way to the ceiling.
That's dangerous.
I wonder if flowers can fly.
Sit still. Don't destroy my store.
Okay, fine.
It's your birthday today. Let's have a party.
What are these?
It's uncomfortable.
I have a plan. First of all, you're meant to give birthday presents. Now that's more like it.
A treat! Thanks!
Is that for me? Cool. I can't hide from you.
That's not a present. Here you go.
I want that!
Me too.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
What would you give kittens for their birthday? Give me some ideas in the comments.
They need names.
You're right. This one looks like a Molly. This one looks like a Lily.
And this one looks like Pumpkin.
Ugh, what a horrible name. Hold on. Come back.
Hi.
Help.
You can't be mean to Kevin. He's getting taken home this week.
I hope it happens soon.
Wake up! The kittens have nowhere to sleep.
We'll make them beds now. Quit yelling.
No, that's for the customers.
What are my kittens going to sleep on?
Nate will make you a new bed.
Easy. I have an idea. All clear?
Yep.
Let's split up the fabric. Copy me. Fold the fabric.
Yeah.
Wow.
Done.
Glue this part together. Now let's do that some more.
This'll make it cozy.
They'll love snoozing here.
Come out, Kevin! Let's play!
Leave me alone.
Kevin doesn't like playing.
What is this?
A birthday cake, of course.
Cake! Cake! Cake!
Cake!
Cake! Cake!
Okay, I'll order one. That's how much it costs. I'll just make one myself.
We're getting a cake!
This is gonna be quick. How does this turn on?
A mixer! A mixer! A mixer! A mixer!
Help! Nate!
I'll save you. Bam! Take that.
Thanks. Let's just order the cake. Make a wish and blow out the candles.
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Delicious!
I want cake every day.
They're so cute.
Is it delicious?
It's for the kittens.
We need to pick toys for the kittens.
Throw out the toys you like.
These are expensive toys. Put them back.
So what will the kittens play with?
Come up with something cheaper.
This old junk. I have an idea.